What's the limit of AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, has grown rapidly over the past few decades, changing the way we work, communicate, and live. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is now a part of our everyday lives. But as powerful as AI is, it still has its limits. One of the biggest limitations of AI is that it lacks true understanding. AI can process large amounts of data and generate impressive results, but it does not understand the world the way humans do. For example, an AI can translate languages or recognize images, but it doesn't understand the meaning behind the words or the emotions in a picture. It works based on patterns, not real comprehension. Another limit is creativity. While AI can create music, art, and even write stories, it does so by learning from existing works. It imitates rather than invents. True human creativity involves imagination, emotion, and original thinking, qualities that AI cannot fully replicate. AI is also limited by the data it is trained on. If the data is biased, the AI will be biased too. This can lead to unfair results in areas like hiring, law enforcement, and healthcare. Humans must be careful when designing AI systems and ensure they are trained with fair and diverse data. Furthermore, AI struggles with common sense and complex decision-making in real-world situations. For example, self-driving cars still face challenges in unpredictable environments, like during extreme weather or in unusual traffic conditions. Human judgment is still required in many of these cases. There are also ethical and legal limits. AI should not replace human jobs without proper planning. It should not be used to spy on people or control society. Governments and organizations need to set rules to make sure AI is used safely and responsibly. In the future, AI will continue to improve. It might become better at understanding language, making decisions, and working with humans. But even then, it will always need human guidance. AI is a tool, a very smart tool, but it cannot replace the depth of human intelligence, emotions, and morality. In conclusion, the limit of AI lies in its lack of true understanding, creativity, and ethical awareness. It is a powerful assistant, but it is not a human being. As we move forward, we must use AI wisely, making sure it helps humanity rather than harms it.